Hi guys, my name is Julian from Gabon Adventure Tours. In today's video, I'm going for tracking pythons uh, in the savannah. Yeah, in this side of the savannah, it's really a good place to do it just because down there we have a big river, and also the place it's a mix of savannah and forest. So many animals just come here and python too to hunt them. Okay, to do it, I don't need so much things. So yeah, I just have a knife with me. Yeah, going in the savannah or the jungle in Gabon is not a so good idea with a knife. It's better a machete, but for me it's fine. It's fine. So one more thing, I will need a stick. I will need a stick. Yeah, and one important things I have with me, yeah, a bottle of water. It's really important. Sometimes going for snake tracking is not a so good idea, but pythons are not so dangerous. I'm just worried about get face to face with a python which didn't hit something. I don't know since a few weeks. Yeah, this could be really dangerous. And also I would like to say something. Yeah, if I find one, yeah, I just have a look, and if it's too dangerous, I just run away. That's it. So let's go and find some pythons. Hey guys, I just found something. Yeah, there is some truss here. As you can see, something went through here. Uh, you cannot see footprint, so that means it may be something which is really like a snake, but it's too big, so I guess it could be a python. Yeah, a really big one. So maybe here I really have to take care. Maybe there is still something around or not. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So it's quite old, but I think last night you were sleeping here. Yeah. And you went through here after. So this was our first proof that there are big snakes around. Yeah, but in the beginning I didn't say that, but a few days ago, locals just killed a really big pythons here. Python here. Yeah, that's also the reason why I decided to make the video and just look for some too. In Gabon, pythons are protected, so people are not really allowed to hunt them or yeah hit them. Yeah. I found something again. Yeah. Hey guys, I already spent 3 hours looking for pythons in the savannah, but actually the rain is coming, so I have to leave, and I still would like to stay. Yeah, I saw some quite interesting things, which is the proof that you can find really big snakes here. Yeah, but let's see next time. Okay, so guys, I would like to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to successfully explore the African jungle in Gabon. Bye.